Hello and a very good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's market updates. My name is Edmund. Today is a Wednesday, 31st of March 2021. Over the last two market days, especially from a Monday onwards, we finally see gold prices breaking up from its consolidation phase. Gold prices has been trading between a consolidation phase of 1,724 as a support level and also 1,746 US dollars as a resistance level. So gold prices has been trading within that range since the 15th of March, and finally 2 days ago on the 29th of March, it finally broke down from the support levels of 1,724, and currently it is trading at about 1,679 US dollars. Before we have a look at the MT4 charts for gold and also for the US dollar index, let us just recap some of the major drivers or news which are impacting the movements of the US dollar index and also gold prices as we are speaking. So basically, over the last two market days, we do see the US dollar index rising from yesterday's low of about 92.89 to the current highs of 93.42. Of course, with the US dollar strengthening, this is largely due to the fact that the US global economy recovery is well on the way with a targeted 200 million vaccines to be administered by the end of April. This is US President Joe Biden's target. And of course, tonight, Mr. Joe Biden is also going to be speaking about unveiling a new infrastructure plan. In other words, it's going to involve at least 1 to 2 trillion US dollars. And of course, indirectly, this is sort of a financial stimulus to the US economy. So those plans will be unveiled to a certain extent tonight. He'll be speaking from Pittsburgh, but the exact time is not confirmed yet. Okay, with more money expected to be pumped into the financial system through infrastructure projects and so on, US Treasury prices move lower, and of course, the Treasury yields moved higher. So, in tandem with the higher Treasury yields, again, the US dollar strengthened, and of course, we do see the UK pound and also gold prices falling. Okay, so we're going to move on to the MT4 charts now to have a look at how it impacted. This is the US dollar index again, and of course, we're going to see how it has impacted the UK pound and also the euro, and not to forget gold prices. So here we are at the MT4 charts. Again, we can see that the US dollar index for this morning, for the last 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, has been bullish again, rising from 93.23 all the way to about 93.45 levels. Okay, so for yesterday, it was trading at a low of over here, 92.89. Let me just remove this. Okay, 93.89 levels over here, down here. Sorry, 92.89 levels, and it was extremely bullish yesterday. You can say that the US dollar actually broke out from its sideways range also. It was trading sideways for on Thursday and Friday, and of course, um, on Friday and Monday, okay, and on Tuesday it started to break out from its consolidation phase, okay. So on a larger time frame, on the 4-hour charts, the US dollar has also been bullish ever since over here on the 18th of March, forming a double bottom over here. One point at the 18th of March and the other one on the 11th of March. Forms a double bottom and very nicely starts to project upwards. Okay, so US dollar has been strengthening from 91.35 levels since 18th of March to current levels of 93.43. Moving ahead, I would say that US dollar still has room to move up, possibly to a target price of 94.02 levels. But along the way, of course, expect some short-term retracements and pullbacks, consolidations before it starts to move higher. Okay, so again, this is the most recent support level. Um, okay, this is the most recent support level as early as last just 2 days ago on a Monday, forming support at 92.70 levels before finally moving higher. Okay, so as the US dollar was strengthening, of course, looking at the the UK pound for the last couple of days since a Monday, from a high of 1.3842, has moved down about 135 pips to 1.3707 levels since 2 days ago. Okay, so looking at Gold prices, again, as mentioned just now, gold prices was consolidating between the support level of 1,724 US dollars. Okay, so ever since over here, the 18th of March, okay, gold prices has been trading between 1723, 1724 levels to a resistance of about 1744 levels. Okay, so it's been within this range for quite some time, and it finally broke through the range 2 days ago. Okay, 2 days ago, it broke through this support level 1724 levels, and it came down about from a high of 1732, or from the breaking point 1724 to a low of 1705 on a Monday, coming down 18 US dollars 18. And yesterday, from a high of 1713 levels, came down all the way to 1679 levels. Again, currently it is trading at 1679 levels. Okay, looking at a longer term picture, um, gold prices should find some support at 1676 levels in the short term before deciding whether to push down further down or further up. Okay. However, if you look at the daily charts also, it is also indicating that it's pushing down. So let us have a look at the weekly charts to see further whether how far it can go. So again, in the short term, we are expecting if it doesn't hold at 1676, we are looking at 1669 levels, and the further tip will be at the 1656 levels. Okay, this will be the next two target prices. But back on the 4 hourly and also especially the 1 hour charts, it is still indicating at the moment it could be indicating a sideways movement or a consolidation. Okay, as it has been going down for the last two market days. Okay, last two market days. Okay. So possibly, yeah, it will go sideways, and it may temporarily break this short-term downtrend, go sideways, and we'll see further on where it goes from there. Okay. So oil prices has also been volatile and active, very nicely moving up and down between $1.70 movement down, okay, and then after going up again for about $2.30. Okay, so plenty of opportunities to trade on the markets, especially with as usual a lot of events and activities driving the US dollar stronger, okay, which pushes down the UK pound, and also pushes down gold prices. So plenty of opportunities there. And of course, not to forget, the euro dollar has also been consolidating for the last couple of days. And for yesterday, it finally broke through 1.1762 levels to the current levels of 1.1704. Okay, so yeah, very nicely done. The macro picture is US dollar is strengthening, okay, and of course the UK pound together with the euro and also gold prices is weakening. Okay, so yeah, hope you guys have a good update so far for the markets, and I'll see you again for the next round of market updates. Thank you, take care, and have a good day ahead.